All right, back on Barry 66. Old radiator, new radiator. This radiator is supposed to be a Northern, like the old radiator. Made in the USA, Northern. This sumbitch don't look like a Northern to me. It looks like it is made elsewhere. It doesn't say, or maybe it does. Nope, it just says warranty if removed. And the funny part about this is, this was ordered with a Northern part number and advertised as a Northern. But it's obviously not. And also, fittings on the bottom for the trans-cooler are completely different. Joy. Joy. Have I mentioned joy? So as you saw earlier, we had our fan mounted to our new radiator. New radiator is bolted in and mounted. Bolted right in, fit really well. I did have to go and get fittings. 1/8" pipe to 5/16 hose for the trans cooler. So we're gonna knock that out right now, hooking up the trans cooler. And we're gonna do our upper hose as well. So getting ready to install our Gano filter, which these small block Fords definitely need, as you can tell from in here. I'll show you later. It's plug solid. But typical small block Ford, they always have rust, flaking, and you know, just rusty, crusty inside them. So put the Gano filter here in the upper hose. Cut right here, cut right here. Basically cut out about 2 inches of your upper hose and put the filter in line in the hose, and it will keep all the crap from getting into the radiator. Well, most of the crap, the big crap. Keep an eye on this, obviously. Definitely want to check it. You can take it apart and clean it. But definitely a must-have on these Fords, especially ones that have not been rebuilt in a long time or are still original inside and haven't been, you know, taken to the machine shop and tanked and all that. Or if they ran water in them for a long time. But let me go show you the old radiator inside real quick. Boys and girls, this is why you need a Gano filter on your small block Ford. Yucky. There it is, all installed. Easy peasy. Snip, snip, clamp, clamp. All right, we've got our radiator in, filled up. There's our Gano filter. Our trans cooler lines are hooked up. All of our wiring is back together. Get my solder out of there. I'm ready to fire this car up. Burp cooling system. Let her build up pressure. And watch the coolant actually. Alright, so the fans were operating. The thermostat's obviously open. Blowing in our filter. Great. been running for 10 minutes or so now. Nice and cool. Look at that. Been sitting here idling 20 minutes with the air on. We aren't getting hot anymore, boys.